For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, Stellenbosch United, and Stellenbosch FC 1. Kaizer Chiefs are through to the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup for the first time since 2022, because I remember in 2022 that's where they lost in the semi-finals of this Nedbank Cup against Orlando Pirates, the FNB. I remember la bola kakora usadile mthetho deep into extra time. Kulapho iKaizer Chiefs yakubula khona uya kwi last 4 Nedbank Cup, but now it's 2025. Kaizer Chiefs is begele indawo Junior Khanye kwi semi-finals the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates are through. Kaizer Chiefs now are through, which means we are promised mhlawumbe a big semi-final and potentially a big final. Nedbank Cup yalonyaka sikhumbula ukuthi la mdlalo ubuzawudlala nawo ngo-8 o'clock between iSikhukhune United neMamelodi Sundowns was postponed izolo ebusuku on Friday, where iPSL ukhuphe statement ukuthi umdlalo has been postponed indaba yebala wara but ke what we know is that lamdlalo we-quarter final yesine yesithathu ibuzodlala namhlanje ye-Sundowns neSikhukhune awuzuba saqhubekeka. So amaqala amabili ke ngokazibekele indawo Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs sebezibekele indawo. Siyazi ukuthi ngomso iMarumo Gallants up against Durban City Sunday 3 o'clock. But Junior, umdlalo besubukele thina namhlanje ngulo weKaizer Chiefs, your former team against Stellenbosch. Hey, kwenzeke into eyenzekile namhlanje. Kaizer Chiefs isibethele Stellenbosch. Manje ukubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Yeah, sharp fit. Without ukuthi esesirinte kakhulu. Angeke ubulise ekseni uvuka igini. Ubulise kuyela ntamba mekini. Yeah, Shane fit, well done to Kaizer Chiefs for reaching the semi-final. I know it really means a lot for a technical team and also the players. Well done to them and their fans. I think Steve Barker is himself to blame. First of all, I think the lineup at Kalengai came questionable. You can't put the special Lendwana Pilini on the bench. Very dynamic, skillful. Bigmela Zalise Lendwana on the left hand side. Nomangam Farage, Utetas on the right hand side. Mhlambe, I'm substitute to Tetas if he's not going to give. Because I'm letting coach down today. They were telling a corner game, you can't play a central attacking midfield on the left-hand side. I'm not too sure. And then Shuma on the left. And then got right to no Titus. We should put like a side L1. But Puma Titus. Ikemake was not balanced that much. And Chore, I'm very disappointed. You can't be doing this. I'm not too sure. Lenta Enzilein. I think it did that deliberately.
You should have called it a red card.
Simple. No, they aren't a red card.
Yeah.
For me,
it's a red card. If he escaped la penalty and said, because it was a deliberate,
you can't be doing that in Fetu. It's in the box there. As an experienced player, international, you were bored by the team, bringing Gunama player money in their position in South Africa, billing millions of players that are so extremely talented. If you come here, I used to ask the guy, he's a very good player, but Lenteme Ayenza today. It looks like, I'm not too sure, like he
was lucky to finish a game.
Yeah, the entire zeal, it's uncalled for. First off, I think I will single him out. One of the best players I think the Chiefs. I'm going to confirm it. Yes, I saw him. The boy just said to Hameg, I can't be holding midfield, also being an attacker, box to box, running all over, Pendugu number 10, supporting left and right. It hardly lose the ball. I love that. It's very comfortable on the ball, clinical on a pass. And the spaces was master room cheater. Well done to him. I came in and I'm singing up. But in Cosing disappointing. Utlala Bagnigi attacking. You're supposed to show up Serino as well, playing on the left hand side too much. Mbonilu number 10, but why on the left? And running all over. Ranela with traffic. I think Serino uba best magadala on the left, cutting in. Ranela more dangerous spaces. I think Ulaba dangerous con. Mautatla number 10. He seemed like doing whatever he wants. And now Trina Pepana Lapanomodi. They're not dangerous at all. So second half. I think Stellenbosch my changes, they were all over Kaizer Chiefs. I need to be honest. Chiefs be Italia Finiabo. Daylight robbery. It's very disappointing for some. Mina Shane, I'm not gonna buy faces to have. Lendole, we as a country going nowhere. We're not gonna Shane.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll get away with this qualify for AFCON, whatever. Yeah. But we as Masfunu Kule Polin, we need to be honest to ourselves. Angithi baqinisele bathi mawumuntu, just be honest to yourself.
Yeah, yeah,
And then these things, I don't know, ngoba Stellenbosch they did very well to get a goal. Well done to De Jong. Sapi coach ayenzile nalo mfana Philini.
Yeah. Sorry to David, before you going forward, what do you think Urifi was charging for? Do you think maybe Mhlambe becharge offside or Mhlambe there was
There was a foul. Goalkeeper protector, Shane.
Yeah.
Once you contact the goalkeeper on the box, it's a foul. Matlo went to the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
That's why I changed direction of goalkeeper the way I landed on. And no lineman we bonito or raise the flag.
Yeah, because that's what I noticed
yeah.
was also,
yeah,
yeah.
Palamis flag this
Sure.
way and then appoint tele. So because of the hype fans and then the referee, lineman himself, Babamba Bombuza, you have to change. It's very
I mean, Oya Namdu, who was in a great position to take a decision there, was Uliesman, because he's the one who raised his flag.
Mr.
What he fouled, but Umbuzo Ugasa, why is he going to confirm Naye? And then because if you saw the camera also showed the fourth official, meaning that he was also consulting with the fourth official. What were they discussing? Meaning that Ugasa didn't trust his decision.
Maru lineman we are sure it's a foul.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Uliesman, I'm saying Urefli, you should have gone with it decision Uliesman, because Uliesman saw the thing.
No, either way, Chiefs supposed
Yeah.
to go to the semi-final. I think it's wrong, Shin. Yeah, but goal number 3, Chiefs very big because the goalkeeper was out. We often go equalize. And these guys, what I think in South African football, Stellenbosch, they are the best for me. Without any lot of sponsorship, without any whatever, marketing, whatever. In terms of talent search, scouting, there's something that they're doing well. These guys, they must seen Baba dropping logo. They're doing very well. That's why big teams they come and get Abu Jaden Adams, Abu Band, Reyners. The list goes on. Abu these
Van
guys,
Rooyen and
Van
stuff,
Rooyen.
sure.
Yes, there's something that they're doing. Good TTC always say 1 or 2. They sometimes won. That's why they're doing a great thing. But in South Africa, if this is how we're gonna, this is a small team, but in terms of what they're doing, we're gonna say compliment. Mar Labafana Pelana last year against Pirates.
Yeah.
This is what happened. So it's a sad story for South African.
Yeah, it's a similar thing
Now
to what
I know
happened.
Gucci fans of Kaizer Chiefs, they are happy, but winning this way. I know I'm happy for technical team of Chiefs. I'm happy for players and also their fans.
Yeah.
But how they win today? I know goal number 3, Vela can't fault how Steven said. You need to go. Everybody must go. I mean, you're chasing a game. Yeah, but but disappointing. I mean, the Bafana second half they deserve very good by equalize, and now the game was more. Only game was second half. Anything could happen.
Yeah.
Urevli supposed to be fair. Banu lineman by the game, and then Mangabe blow. Mhlambe last we see blow, and then going to extra time. Spony team is winner fairly. But if this team win, it was a scam.
Yeah.
I mean, for South Africa, I know there's news, whatever. Everybody's happy. Like clinical, straightforward. Gonna scale him. I mean, there was a push from Matlo. The red lineman raised a flag. One point it's a foul against Kaizer Chiefs. And then you go, like referee goes there to you, back consultant. For South African football, yeah, I mean, this we're not gonna reach any. I want to World Cup or even to qualify. Masenza so good grand for the Premiership. We're doing very well. Well done to us, but I want to mean, if we want to grow really, we need to do things properly.
Yeah, but Junior, I'm sure there were a couple of positives with Kaizer Chiefs because they started the game very well. Ashley Dupree, he was a live wire for Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, he was very instrumental for them. Namhlanje should have scored also Namhlanje Ashley Dupree, meaning that Ashley Dupree coming from that game against Sundowns where and also the game where he scored a goal against Makesi, meaning that Ashley Dupree as he games the season, he's gaining confidence, he's gaining image fitness. What did you make of him, Namhlanje?
Shane, I won't say Kaizer Chiefs as a whole they were better, but there were certain players. I'm singing out the defense. I have a compliment to their defense. Back four. Well done to them. Well done to Kyle. Well done to Ashley Dupree. Mori was off. I can't. Pelamauti team won't get they were better. Mori was off. Lilia Petliden was off. Serena was off. I need to be honest for me. This guy in the middle field, off. So it's imanga 4 players that are attacking. How you say the team was better. So you can't be saying that. Yes, certain players Jobangisho. Back 4 well done. Also well done to Lomfanu Kele. Lomfanu Spanile today. Link it defense and attack. not losing the ball, receive ball ngama tight spaces aphume la, and also accuracy ngama passes. Abantu abazifihlile ukwazi ukubathola, well done to him. Where the space you attack the space, well done to him. Atholakale nakule box labanye. It's just that obvious kuzoba difficult ukuthi ayoshoot aphinde abuye azomarka protect the back four yakhe. I think bamdlalise holding imboni uChiefs, and I want to see him attack more. I think he can be so dangerous. And for me, I need to be honest, much better sharp compared to Ikeme Makesi. Much first half better to Upek Foyabo, and also this boy Ucele and Nutipris better. But as a team, I think the fans make the game even more than the game Lebesibwele. Fans. Because then important now they didn't come to the party first half. Second half it's when Battle is team Afina with Chiefs. And Mina it's like even Zamaga cool man when I see this thing. We're going nowhere. Unfortunate and so by Legas feature we must forget about this thing winning AFCON. AFCON, yes, I know it's a physics and stuff. Maybe gonna scale I'm gonna into some VRs. But amongst the best, forget my brother.
Thank you so much, Junior. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, Stellenbosch FC 1. Now, Kaizer Chiefs are through to the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup in the season 2024-2025. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, congratulations to their players, congratulations to their coach, and congratulations to Chucks and Chucks. He was very happy.
Excited.
Very excited. Thank you so much for watching
Happy for
Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
All our Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Ola bafethu bongani bobomnisi bafethu ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.